Hello. One of the more common questions I get asked these days is, what are the benefits that Sisense has over Power BI? Power BI, as you might know, is from Microsoft, and it's available as part of the Office 365 license. So in this video, I wanted to highlight some of the reasons why an organization might choose Sisense over Power BI. One big reason to choose Sisense is its platform agnostic nature. Sisense has implementations both on Linux and Windows. So, with the fast nature of change in technology, a platform like Sisense that offers flexibility in a non proprietary stack can be extremely important to many organizations as they deal with the change. Another reason to choose Sisense would be the ease of data modeling. Sisense comes with the Elasticube, which is essentially a data store, and an Elasticube manager, which allows one to draw relationships that are specific to those dashboards that you're trying to build. Now, this really helps drive fast performance of your dashboards because you can model the data right within the Elasticube manager, right? And that's a big advantage that Sisense has. The third one I would say is that Sisense has a large number of available out-of-the-box data connectors and plugins. Last time I checked, there were over 500 data connectors and plugins available, far ahead of the out-of-the-box connectors available on any other BI platform. And where you need custom connectors, they have implementation partners like Iontech that can easily build you one. A fourth reason is that Sisense offers a very clear path for organizations to move from data analysis to data science, AI, and ML. Once you have put in the plumbing and harnessed your data, using Sisense for cloud data teams can really help you find insights and recommendations through the power of data science and predictive modeling. A fifth reason is that if you have a software application or a product that needs to showcase analytics to end users, Sisense can handle the entire analytics data crunching and the presentation by easily embedding those visualizations and widgets right into your application or product. Now, this is the perfect use case for Sisense since it was built from the ground up for this type of embedded use case. Lastly, Sisense's attention to customer service is well known and recognized by many of the analysts, certainly by customers. They are not the 800-pound gorilla company, but rather your friendly neighborhood friend, Spider-Man, always available to help in times of distress and need. And we all need more friends in the world, correct? I hope this was helpful. Thank you for listening. Until next time, take care of yourself. Goodbye.